Our next question is, what is the capability of the LTNG colon require tag that is used for loading external JavaScript libraries in Lightning component? Choose 3. Option A, loading files from documents. Option B, one-time loading for duplicate scripts. Option C, specifying loading order. Option D, loading scripts in parallel. Option E, loading externally hosted scripts. The correct answer is option B, C and D. Next question is, a platform developer needs to write an Apex method that will only perform an action if a record is assigned to a specific record type. Which two options allow the developer to dynamically determine the ID of the required record type by its name? Choose 2. Option A, make an outbound web services call to the SOAP API. Option B, hard code the ID as a constant in an Apex class. Option C, use the get record type info by name method in the describe object result class. Option D, execute a SOQL query on the required type object. The correct answer is option C and D. Our next question is, a developer has the controller class below. Which code block will run successfully in an execute anonymous window? These are the options. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, in a single record, a user selects multiple values from a multi-select pick list. How are the selected values represented in Apex? Option A, as a list string with each value as an element in the list. Option B, as a string with each value separated by a comma. Option C, as a string with each value separated by a semicolon. Option D, as a set string with each value as an element in the set. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, a developer writes the following code. What is the result of the debug statement? Option A, 1, 100. Option B, 1, 150. Option C, 2, 150. And option D, 2, 200. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, what are two valid options for iterating through each account in the collection list account named account list? Choose 2. Option A, for account, the account colon account list. Option B, for account list. Option C, for list L colon account list. Option D, for integer I equals to 0, I account list dot size I plus plus. And the correct answer is option A and D.